Creating a product consideration video ad for YouTube. Hey there, friends! Time to continue boosting your YouTube business video with ads. This time, through a campaign that is optimized with settings that encourage product consideration. In other words, we're about to show you how to create a YouTube ad that will convince buyers that your product is their best choice. Let's start off this lesson right from the Google Ads dashboard, where you can access by visiting the ads.google.com URL while logged into your Google account. Creating and customizing the campaign. From there, click on the New Campaign button. Now select Product and Brand Consideration as the campaign goal. Then select Video as a campaign type. Now select Influence Consideration as a campaign subtype, and then click on Continue. Now you are going to customize the campaign. Start by entering the name of this new campaign into the campaign name field. The rest of the campaign configurations will be similar to the configurations we made when we created the previous campaign. First, click on the Budget Type menu button and select Daily. Next, enter your daily ad spend into the Amount field. We are going to launch the campaign as soon as the ads are approved, so we'll skip the schedule in this example. Okay, now click on the Languages tab to select your target languages. Next, click on the Locations tab to select your target locations. Now move to the Ad Group Name column and enter the name of your new ad group. Now you are going to move to the People section. Click on the Demographics tab to check your audience demographic attributes. Then click on the Audiences tab and add your audience's attributes. Here we strongly recommend that you select in-market attributes. This will help you to target viewers that are active online buyers, which are more likely to make a purchasing decision after watching your video ad. Next, move to the Content section and click on the Keywords tab. Enter your keywords and search terms into the Keywords field. Then click on the Topics tab and select the topics that you want to target with your ad. In case you want to target specific website visitors or viewers of a specific channel, click on the Placements tab. We are not going to pick specific placements, so we will skip this configuration. Lastly, enter your maximum cost per view bid into the Bidding field. Creating the product consideration ad and launching the campaign. Alright folks, time to set up the ad. Start by pasting your video URL into the Search for a Video field. For this type of campaign, we recommend you select Video Discovery Ad as the ad format. This will show your ad on more than one placement, including the YouTube homepage, on search results pages, and on recommended video feeds. That way, you'll avoid people skipping your video ad, while also giving them more time to consider clicking on the video. Now you are going to customize the ad and compose the ad copy. Start by selecting a thumbnail. Next, compose the ad headline in the Headline field. Next, compose a description into the Description number 1 field. You can add a description extension into the Description number 2 below, but this is optional. Then enter the ad name into the Ad Name field and click on the Create Campaign button. On the following page, review your campaign settings. Embedding your YouTube sales video on a blog post. Hey there, friends! You just uploaded your sales-oriented video to YouTube, where you were guaranteed a steady stream of views and clicks. And now it is time to expand that reach to other channels. There are a variety of channels where you can promote your video, and we'll start by showing you how to add it on a blog post. This will expose your video to web visitors that reach your blog content through search, and it is easy to do. Let's do this. Getting your video embed code. You have to start by getting the video embed code. This is a code that you can use to insert your video on a blog post page, and you can get it straight from your channel dashboard. So let's go to the dashboard first. Start on the YouTube homepage and click on the Profile menu button. Next, click on the YouTube Studio option in the menu. Once on the channel dashboard, click on the Videos tab on the left sidebar menu. Now locate the video that you are going to insert into the blog post and click on the options icon. Now click on Get Shareable Link. Creating a blog post to insert your video onto your site. Alright folks, now it is time to create the blog post where you'll insert your video. This not only has the benefit of expanding your reach, it also helps you create a backlink that increases the ranking and relevance of the video. For this example, we are going to create a blog post for our WordPress website. If you are using a different content management system, you might have to take slightly different steps, but the basic implementation applies. If you're using WordPress like us, follow these steps. Start on your site's dashboard and move to the Post tab on the left sidebar menu. Now click on the Add New option. This will open the post editor, where you'll compose your new blog post. This should be a blog post optimized to drive traffic to your video so people watch and convert. Okay, so we're going to start by composing the article title in the Add Title field. Make sure to add the main keyword or search term that you want to target, and an actionable phrase or hook. You can use the same title of your YouTube video here, minus the name of your business at the end. Now you are going to compose your blog post below. A blog post to embed your video should be a maximum of 500 words to simply summarize the points in your video. Close the post with a call to action, letting readers know that they can watch the rest of the content by playing the video below. Embedding your video. Now to open a space, click on the plus icon. Now scroll down the blocks menu. Locate the Embeds tab and click on it. Next, click on the YouTube icon. Now you are going to paste the embed URL you got from your channel dashboard into the YouTube URL field. Then click on the Embed button. Awesome job! As you can see, the video is embedded at the bottom of the blog post. This is a great strategy to funnel website visitors to your videos because some of them will find the blog post by using the keywords you are targeting, but might simply end watching the video instead of reading the blog post. A little trick you can use to send the viewer from the blog post page to YouTube is to use the caption field to insert a CTA. Simply click on the Write a Caption field and then type a watch on YouTube. Next, highlight this text and click on the link icon. Now paste the embed URL into the Paste URL field and then click on Apply. Let's now optimize this post with tags and a featured image before you publish it. For this, click on the Document tab in the Editor menu on the right. Now click on the Tags tab and insert your keywords and search terms into the Tags field, just like you did on YouTube. Now click on the Featured Image tab. Click on Set Featured Image. Then click on the Upload Files tab, then on Select Files, and locate the image that you'll use as a feature image on your computer. Double-click on it, and then click on Set Featured Image. Publishing your post. Now that you are all said and done, click on the Publish button and confirm. And that's it. You can always repurpose your YouTube videos for your website this way, which will help you to create backlinks for your YouTube video and to add more content for your website. Outlining your perfect YouTube sales funnel for 2020. Hey there everyone! These past training lessons have walked you through the manual strategies that are going to get you started on the right foot. And now, we're about to get into the brainy stuff. The strategies that will help you plan, improve, optimize, and scale. And we are going to start by teaching you how to outline the perfect YouTube sales funnel for 2020. In this lesson, you'll learn how to develop a funnel according to your content efforts, and what types of videos you'll have to produce to move each viewer into your funnel. Step number 1. Identify goals and set stages. It is important to identify what the goals of a sales funnel are, and to set them in order before you set up the stages in your funnel. In this training, we're focusing on driving sales and making profit, yet the majority of your business leads won't move right into the bottom of the funnel, ready to make a purchase. That is why it is vital to establish different goals to capture leads at different stages. You have to see the sales funnel as an inverse pyramid that goes from top to bottom. On top are the leads that are less likely to convert, the leads that may not even be aware of your brand, and that you have to suck in. In the middle are the leads that are aware of your brand and are interested in your offer. And in the bottom are the leads that are ready to get their hands on your product. Let's establish goals for each stage in the funnel. At the top of the funnel, your goal is to drive awareness. That is, awareness about your brand or your product or your service. The intention is for the user to become aware that you exist, regardless of their desire to consume what you offer. At the middle of the funnel, your goal is to drive interest and consideration. Once a lead sees you as a trustworthy authority, they'll keep hanging around, watching your videos, either because you are a trusted source of information or because your products offer a real way to solve an issue or need in their life. Notice that at this point, you can also drive desire. This means that the lead is not only considering your product, but is actively desiring your product. Yet there is an objection stopping the lead from taking action, such as price, or maybe they need to learn more about the product before making a purchase. Finally, at the bottom of the funnel, the goal is to drive action. This is when a lead is ready to convert by signing up for a trial or making a purchase. Step number 2. Make a content audit. The next step is to audit your channel to make a content inventory. What you'll do at this point is to check the content that you have in your channel and to take notes about the different types of videos that you have produced. And you are going to analyze how each video can help a lead move from one stage to another. Doing this will help you to better identify at what point of the YouTube content life cycle you are in. For example, you might find that you have more videos that are simply optimized to help people find your videos on YouTube, but that don't push your brand or products too much. Or you may find that you have lots of videos that are centered on your products and that are designed to put viewers in the mood for purchasing. By taking inventory of the different videos you have, you can fine-tune your content strategy to match the goals you need to achieve at each stage of the funnel. In other words, you can find out how many videos you have to create to have an equal number of videos for each stage. This is especially helpful if you're just getting started. Step number 3. Plan your content mix for each stage of the funnel. By this point, you know the mindset that will push viewers into each stage in a YouTube sales funnel, and you have a clearer idea of the type of content that you need to produce to balance things out. But to properly balance your content mix, you have to apply a content split for each stage in the funnel, and we found out this to be the perfect content split for your mix. 40% of content for the top of the funnel. This means that 40% of your content has to be intended to reach leads. In other words, search-friendly videos that are not necessarily about your brand, but about entertaining things that your audience likes. 40% of content for the middle of the funnel. This means that another 40% of your content will be intended to showcase your products in a context that is familiar to your audience, using storytelling techniques. 20% of content for the bottom of the funnel. This means that the last 20% of your content will be intended to encourage your viewers to take action, or at the very least, to find your product videos if they're actively researching them. And that's it, folks. You can design an agency-level sales funnel for your YouTube business in 3 simple steps, guaranteed. Are you curious about what types of videos work best for YouTube business, and which ones perform best for each stage in the funnel? Then tune in to the following lessons.